Bail stock analysis. Okay, let's go to the chart. Here is the chart. Here is the 15 minutes chart. Here the MACD has been given down sign. Okay, MACD down and volume has been decreased. MACD down and RSI also going downside. Here the crossover also given down in 15 minutes chart. Okay, this may go up to 47 and here it may take support and again it may bounce back up to 48. I mean up to 48 or above 48, 49 in 15 minutes chart. Let's go to the daily chart. Here is the daily chart. Here you can see, I will zoom in. 44.93 is support in the daily chart and 50 is the resistance. The stock may go up to 50 tomorrow or coming days. If the volume increases, here increased volume increases, then wires increases, the stock may easily go up. And here the MACD also crossover has been given up sign. RSI is flattened and again going to up, and here the crossover also given by the EMA. Okay, here up sign, bullish sign has been given, so stock may go up to 50.72 in coming days, that is in tomorrow may go up to 50.72, chances are there, and it may also broke this resistance and go up to 54 also coming days if the buyers increases. Okay, so in a weekly chart you can see here, in weekly chart the candle is EMA crossover has been taken place and there is a resistance at 51.50. Here is a resistance 51.50. Stock may go up to 51.50, or if this resistance breaks, then it can go up to 64 in coming week or this week. Okay, and the RSI is rising and MACD has been given crossover here downside and the volume has been increased. It's okay. MACD downside means its trend is going to down, I think, and the parabolics are also showing upwards, means downside. Okay, in weekly chart, but this may reverse, this can be reversed. Okay, chances are there for reverse. In monthly chart you can see here is a resistance at 49.63. this is the resistance 49.63. this will breaks, then it may go up to 63 in this month. Okay, or coming month. As the volume increased, here is there good volume, this only needed. If these buyers increase, then the stock will go up definitely. If buyers decrease, then stock will go down only. Okay, RSI is moving like that uptrend. Okay, here also crossover given by the EMA. Okay, the trend is up only, I think, don't need to worry. So first check yourself whether the stock will up or down. Okay, cross check yourself first, don't just believe that all says bullish stock, so don't just go into it, okay, blindly. So before going to take any trade, you must analyze the chart yourself and you must know where to enter the trade or where to exit the trade. Okay, don't just believe blindly. take decision whether to trade or not. Okay, thanks for watching. Thank you.